Haiti, located west of the Dominican Republic, has seen its fair share of problems. This country, often referred to as the poorest in the world, continues to be in the spotlight. Holy, you've been covering this story and you've recently met with members of the Haitian diaspora. What can you tell us about this meeting?
Well, Pete, what started as a small group of Haitian professionals who got tired of the humiliation that their native country, Haiti, is experiencing, is growing into a pretty powerful global movement. The group has launched a revolution to bring economic freedom to Haiti. Their platform, Legacy 509, encourages the Haitian diaspora to actually invest in transforming the lives of the masses that are struggling in Haiti. Quite frankly, Pete, the concept is seemingly very effective, as it empowers those who at some point had lost all hope. They are using technology in a very unique fashion, creating the impact from the outside in without ever stepping foot in Haiti.
Thank you, Holy. My heart definitely goes out to the people of Haiti. After so many decades of struggles and suffering, finally, there is hope. Legacy 509 has launched, and they hope to gain the support of all Haitians in the diaspora, as well as friends of Haiti. The sole objective is to restore Haiti's middle class. Amazing. When you risk nothing, you risk everything. This is definitely a risk that is well worth it. I wish them the best of luck.